Okay, hi, so welcome to the second tutorial. This is just a sort of quick sort of bolt-on to the first tutorial, just in regards to possibly taking the path tool techniques that little bit further into creating something a little bit more polished than what I've created here. Just to let you know, what I did do is just got in here and into this section of my drawing, and I've tidied things up a little bit because I was conscious of the fact that my first tutorial kind of left things a little bit half cooked, so I wanted to ensure that it was perfect. But now, what I would do in terms of finishing this off, I think the best thing to do is to unionize all of this, and we'll actually duplicate this on a larger scale. So I'm going to right click and duplicate this, so I've got a second version, and then I'm going to hit H on my keyboard, and what I'm now going to do is just nudge this along with the right arrow on my keypad and ensure that it is in line with the middle of this particular these two guidelines. I mean, this seems to be the middle section of the actual graphic. In order to get a guideline, you just left click on the rulers and pull down, and that will produce a ruler for you to be able to get everything in place, and with the help of the grids as well. I mean, I can't think of a better way of getting work absolutely perfect. So right, once I've done that, I'm going to select both of those. I'm going to go to Path and Union, and I'm just going to do one more duplication. So right click and duplicate, and this time I'm just going to tap V on my keypad, and that should flip it vertically. I'm going to nudge down on that with using my keypad on my keyboard, and I'm then going to line this up so that it is spot on. And I think if I zoom in a little bit more, I'm pretty happy with the line of that. I'm going to zoom out, and as you can see, if I go to Path and Union, I'm now left with just using a very simple square technique and using the path tools of union, difference, intersection. I'm left with quite a sort of complicated geometric pattern. So that is probably a better way of finishing off the first graphical technique, and I would look to probably to go for this kind of end result to show a real sort of up in skill level when we come to the now we've gone from level 1 moving up to level 2. I'd imagine you to be probably taking on these types of tasks. So there is your second tutorial.